It's the library game, everyone's favorite whirlwind crash course into what you should or shouldn't do when you visit the media center. Let's meet our librarian. She's a book wrangler with a heart of gold, but don't try to rearrange the books on her shelf. She'll always track you down. It's Miss Crandall! Next, it's time to get to know our 3 contestants. Student number 1 is a 3rd grader who enjoys reading Judy B. Jones' Dork Diaries and books about elephants. In her spare time, she's all about skateboarding and baking oatmeal cookies. Student number 2 is a 5th grader who likes to read Harry Potter, Percy Jackson, and books about football. When he's not at school, he's busy with Minecraft, BMX, and stuffing marshmallows in his mouth. Student number 3 is a little monster from kindergarten who devours No David, Elephant and Piggy, and books about bugs and dinosaurs. After school, he likes exploring spooky forests, scaring the neighbors, and eating anything he can get his hands on. He also collects My Little Ponies. The winning contestant on today's show gets free access to all the books in the library, 2 checkouts per week, and free smiles from our wonderful librarian. Now it's time to get this game show going. Here's Miss Crandall.
This is so exciting. I cannot wait to get to meet all 3 contestants. Student number 1, being safe is very important in the library. Let me know one way that you would be safe.
I would be safe by never running in the library.
Great answer, student number 1. Student number 2, same question.
I would be safe by always pushing in my chair.
Another great answer. Student number 3, same question.
I would be safe by not eating the books because they would taste yummy, but I would not want to choke on them. That would be bad.
Well, I certainly appreciate that. Student number 2. Being respectful is also important. Give me an example of how you would act respectfully in the library.
I'd be respectful by patiently waiting in line or something like that. Yeah.
Great idea. Student number 3, same question.
I would be respectful by not eating the books. Even though it's my favorite thing to do, I would want other children to enjoy all of the books.
Well, thank you for that. How about you, student number 1?
I would be respectful by waiting my turn when I have a question.
Nice. Student number 3. I like when people are responsible when they are in the library. What is one way that you could be responsible?
I would be responsible by not eating the books. Even though eating books is the best, I would want to turn them in on time, but it's very hard to turn books in on time if you've already eaten them.
That is good thinking. Student number 1, same question.
I would be responsible by cleaning up when I leave the library.
Great answer. How about you, student number 2?
I'd be responsible, man, like probably pushing in my chair.
You already said that answer.
That's okay. Pushing in your chair is always a great answer. Any other ideas, student number 2?
Always use a shelf marker.
I should not eat shelf markers either.
That's right, student number 3. And student number 2, great answer. Using a shelf marker is always a good idea.
Miss Crandall, now that you've learned something about all 3 contestants, which student will you be giving a library card to?
Oh, this is so difficult. Every student gave such wonderful answers. Can I just choose all 3?
Oh, well, that's quite irregular. But I suppose librarians can do anything they want in the library.
Then as far as I'm concerned, you are all winners.
Yes!
That's sick. You get a library card, and you get a library card, and you get a library card.
Can I eat the library card?
Oh, student number 3.
This is Dusty Libre saying thanks for watching the library game. And remember, in a world where you can be anything, be kind. Also, don't eat books.